Nikad u snimanje krenuti, jebo mater, ali šta sam bez kamere uradio je ovo sranje, bio reaktor, dadne struje, više nego dosta. Pa ima ovamo transformer, eto, ima malo stvari, poslije ćemo ići sa dvojkom dole. Ili ćemo sa transformera, ja mislim da je bolje sa dvojkom. Ma ja, ajmo sa dvojkom, brže ćemo stići.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Some second. Yeah. Ali, šta da kažem. Otkud imam vulkom vodi? Pravi Bog te dragi. Koji će men kurac vulkom vodi? Čekaj. Nisam niđe vidio, znači ni u kojoj šumi nisam vidio volki, em što su volko velike, em što su begi ima i kukoć. Aj sad vidimo šta ima ovdje. Skener, nemam ja tu već. Ima, eto je, termalna. Tu nemam, tu je dobro da se ima. Ja. To iznutra ček. Fine muziki. Jeboti i ruda. To je dobro da se ima. To sam i traži cijelo vrijeme. Bart Torgal Slug.
I thought it might get claustrophobic living underwater. Father feels it is. He'd tell me it was childish, but I stare out of the window and sometimes I think how lucky I am to see this world up close. Back on the island, I wouldn't have believed the creatures that live down here. The fish, they glow. There's one that's 90% eyeball. Snakes twice the length of a habitat compartment. Certainly, it's not all friendly. Most of the plant life is toxic. Learned that the hard way. But I've managed to coax some marble melons into growing indoors. And when they don't cover our dietary needs, well, we eat the fish themselves. It's a bit gross, but there's nothing they wouldn't do. I've been attempting to document my findings. Understanding is power. That the more we know about this planet, the more we can use it to our advantage. I'm just doing it because it's fun. It's not easy without proper equipment and network access, but the old-fashioned way, observing, taking notes, testing theories, shows me the world in a way a spectroscopic analysis never could. Lately, I've been watching the crab snakes. They ambush their prey as it tries to feed on the mushrooms they hide in. What they don't eat settles on the seabed, which fertilizes the mushrooms, which feeds the herbivores, and so the chain continues. Co-evolution gives me the fuzzies.
Integrating new PDA data. Signal location uploaded to PDA. Integrating new PDA data. 30 seconds.
Pa kućite 500 metara dole jebo vas ust. Sad ja moram ići. Nuđa nek... Dok ja sad nađem put izvan. Mora me čovjek ubiti. Jeba sam napani, jebaš ti mamu. Šću. Pa zavalo, dobro se čuje. Evo ga, Vegi, izlazi. Našu ga za 2 minute. A ti valjda nemoj da se čuješ. Nek ti priđem sa transformerom i jeba ću ti mrš. Jebo ti. Što je ono dole? A ništa. Proposed legacy habitat. I još jedna njihova kuća. Čekaj da ja ne idem prema onoj... Čekaj malo. Ja, tamo je znači... Dobro. Sad da popravim fino dvojku. Da je tako lako dvojku popraviti, evo te ja bio sretan previše. Sad se iđe vam dole. Ko vidim. A ne još. Šao sam ovdje jednom sa Sea-gliderom. Eba i ribe se stalno spucaju mene, ko da mene vidi, ko da ne čuju dvojku kako prolazi. Pa kuda ja da prođem, jebem ti. Ne mora čovjek proći, vidi. Kako će čovjek proći? Čekaj malo. Znači toga. Sam to vidio dželsak. Tu još aerogela. Tu Begi. I vodu baci. Koja bi da tu mogu raditi? Jao, vidi. Samo mogu da punim one baterije što imam. Al ovo je nešto najveći. Samo mogu napraviti aerogen. Vidi. Crkni pičko jedna. Šta je ono? Jebu mater kažem, šta je ono? Ja nekako. Neću to da diram. Koliko ima? 4. Taman, za 2. Vidi ovo. Šta je ovo? Ovo neki je alijeni pravi ili šta? Čekaj kako ja priđem. Će me to vući. Će mi dava zrak ili nešto. Ovo. Ništa. Sad da skeniram. Alien vent. Vidi dvojica izašla odande. Ovo ti mamo. Daj samo odvađe. Vidi, pun inventar. Daj rane, daj ovo jedno. 1, 2, dobar. Ne napodaj mi dvojku. Mrš tamo jebem ti sestru. stanova. I koliko je? Pa moram doći sa planom. Točnije transformom. Jo, time capsule. Jes, to mi ne treba. Neptune escape rocket već trebam sam napraviti. Je ovo blood kelp? O. Našao sam blood kelp, što je dobro. Čekaj, ovo je dobro, daj mam, čekaj. Mogu nakupiti, ne nađeš. Blood oil, to krvno ulje jebute. Od ovog mogu napraviti, znači, benzin točnije. 3 treba. Moraš. Dobro, to je lako, polijanilin. Ideš. Deep shroom. Sad već govorimo duboko. Sad već govorimo, znači, begi duboko pravo. Što znači, ovo ti gasi habitat, ti pomažu. Aha, svjetlo. Jebo mater, 300-400 metara, gledaj ovo. Begi dvojka nije išla nikad dublje. Što ovi krvi ima voda. Vidim ti krv. Šta je nova? Šta je ono? Kakva je ovo sa muzika? To, titanium, copper wire i aerogel, dobro, sam mogu sve tu napraviti. Pa, nuklear reaktor. Advanced wiring kit 2 rubija i... Šta je ovo? Uranite kristal, to je samo dobro za nuklearne bombe. Čekaj, begi, tu mi treba... Ne znam za čega, ali to mi treba pravo. Čekaj. Šta mogu da roknem napolje? Eto, 3 dosta. Deep shroom. Moram mi slušat ove još stake tita.
Something incredible just happened. Since I planned to build equipment and study the life forms we were encountering, but I didn't have enough enameled glass. So, I started looking for a natural substrate that would strengthen the glass we have, and those stalker teeth we've been finding fit the bill. Only, well, we needed more. That's when Marguerite got interested. She actually listened to me, more than I can say for father. And I worked up the courage to talk about my more tentative theories. When I told her they were attracted to metal deposits, that their teeth get dislodged when they pick them up, her eyes narrowed and she dashed out of the room. 3 hours later, she came back, her pack loaded down with stalker teeth. I asked her about it. She shrugged and said my theories were good. Said she had the meeting out of the palm of her hand. I think she meant it literally. She is incredible. She went out to the kelp forest armed with just a heat blade and went fin to fin with a pack of stalkers. On the one hand, that is the coolest thing I have ever heard. On the other, well, I hope the stalkers didn't come off worse than Marguerite did. She had a huge gash on her forearm. I don't think things went as smoothly as she made out. And what's the point in surviving here if we have to kill everything that makes it so wonderful? I wish I knew more about these animals, but Father won't let me leave the habitat. Maybe with all this glass, we could build a containment unit and get up close to them.
Local scans show a nearby opening, leading to a biome with extensive fossilized remains.
sam skonto što je ovo za nje rečeno, ali Begi, pa imaš 20 plus godina, tebi još treba, ja će reći iđi, ne iđi. Zlato, jebo mater, ko ne ođe. Ja dole ne silazim bez pracuta. Če mi je sad kuća, jebo kuću imati. Šta sam ja vidio dole? Jebo ti mamu, što se ne spona? Šta šti toliko nisko? Po tebi će nešto ubiti, jebo ti mamu. Nemoj da me gađaš. Šću? Tako mam ne bi ovo. Jebena ti ovo, vidi koji su. Dobro je što oni ne napadaju, što ne idu glavom na tebe. Taman noć, sad da se naspavam. Čekaj, će li to rad u zraku? Vid radi u zraku isto. Ja se ne vidim. Sam priđe, baću ti.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Koliko titanijuma imam? Sada sam još kopa. Au, Begi bož. Dobar. Jao, kuku, vidi imam i ovih, ne znamo kako, otkud. Sad ovako, se fino napijem. I ovo je prenijet vamo. Ovo prenijet. I eto. Sad Begi čekaj. 2 titanijuma, koliko će im treba da dođem do tamo? Au. Treba će mene vremena. Sa krevet. 2 titanijuma i fiber mesh. Fiber mesh snimte. Vidi. Mi još slušat ovi čekaj.
200 meters below sea level. You want to go deeper?
Look around us, Chief. Water leaking through the hull, water outside the hatch. We're drowning real slow. If rescue arrives, whatever shot us down, it's gonna do it again and again until it's shut off. You see an off switch around here, Chief?
Why would it any more likely be half a kilometer down?
Your kid found something on the scanner. There's something down there. Something that shouldn't be.
You're mad.
I'm going all the same, and I have an idea you two are gonna follow. But if you do, be mindful. Your authority stopped at sea level.
Ali ta žena izjeba. Sam tako. To ćemo pročitati poslije. Maroon.
Chief's log, 5 weeks since the crash. The only other survivors are my son,
Welcome aboard,
Bond,
Captain.
and Maida, the cut-price mercenary I commissioned for the journey. After days drifting in the life pod, rain hammering on the roof, the weather cleared and we washed up here. I had Maida salvage the Degazi wreck, set Bart to finding us a stable source of food. His education is paying off sooner than I'd anticipated. Our only problem is Maida. She says the weather's going to turn. I say she's finding excuses to risk our lives. I imagine she's not gonna weaken her life without a physical altercation, and she's itching for a fight. In every judgment she makes, things go from bad to worse. If she had my experience, she'd have more faith. Humans have spent millennia specializing in how to shackle nature to our will. This planet won't cause us any new problems. My one task now is to keep us alive, as comfortably as possible, until the insurance company arranges rescue. In this part of space, that could be months, or even years.
Dobro, šta ti ba hoćeš sada, ti meni reci. Mi je jasno šta ti hoćeš. Dilema.
You know what Maida told me today? She wants to build a habitat 500 meters below sea level, more than a kilometer northeast of here. And she needs Bart and I to do it. She's got it into her head that she can save us if she just acts recklessly enough. But I've hauled Star Wars to Neptune, Plasteel to the Federation. This family operates 9 different mining colonies across the Ariadne Arm. Maida thinks she's better suited to lead. Her contract still says otherwise. But I just cannot damn well tell whether it's the stupidest idea I ever heard, or my only hope. I turned 80 years old last week. I thought I had another 80 in me, but marooned on this planet, there's no swapping out of my liver when the old one fails. Here, I'm mortal. And Maida is useful. So, it's my responsibility to make a decision. Return to the island and hope whatever knocked the Degazi out of the sky won't do the same to the rescue ship. Or take us deeper in search of answers. And all the while be hoping old age gets me before the sea monsters do. I'll give Maida just one thing. She was right about these caves. There's enough lithium there to fabricate 100 tons of plasteel. Enough for a damn fleet of Cyclops submarines. There was nothing anyone could have done to avoid crashing here. But I was right to order the detour. If we get off this planet, they'll be talking about the Torgal share price on the other side of the Federation.
Znači, tebi ima 80 godina, ne znaš ni gdje si, ni šta si, ni kako si, ne znaš ni kako se sin zove. Sumnjam da si ti bio dobar otac. I to da si još živi, jebote. Vidi, vidi, vidi. E sad ću vam jebam mamicu. Gledaj sad, gledaj sad.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Ovo je bilo prodovat. Jebam ti malo. Sjedja kak to peći. Gledaj ga još jedan. Aha. Jo, ja sam se pripao. Nisam to htio uraditi.
All systems online.
Nice. Aha. Šta je sad, jebem ti? Šta mi treba da napravim ovdje fabrikator? Šta je to bilo? Sad. Dobro to, čekaj. To lagom napraviti, čekaj, onda. Šta je rekao? Zlata i još ti koraza. To je ovo sranje, eto. Da nego iskeniram sam dok još mogu. Dobro pasalo ovdje. Krip, čekaj. Krevet. Imam fiber mesh. Eto ga, može i mali. Jel može vam da stane? Tu. Ajde, ošika jebote. I što to pravi tude tako? Ne koristi toliko struje uopće. Šta unutra miješ? Aj, dobro je, barem ima to. Naći. Ja se transformiram dole. Baš taj ti sereš toliko. I šta uradi? Pa jebote, možeš malo past. Poleti smo. Jebo. Postao sam Iron Man ovako, jebote. Vidiš, mogu ja ovo prefarba da bude izgleda ko Iron Man, jebote. Vidiš ja ideje, jebote. Ej! Šta ono bi? Vidi! Begi bože. High strength alloys. Znači uzem malo ovoga. 2, 3. Ne, još 2. Eto, dosta. Još brzo ovaj bog. Proletio dole. Oj! Šta uradi? Ne bojim se ja za ovo, ja se bojim onog što ima vam dole. Ovo se naravno... Ti mene u mozak jebeš. Pa di sam ja sad došao? Vidi lopti evo ko... Begi bože kak je sad ovo lopte. Dobro vas sam vidio prije, ali... Kakje su ba ovo lopte? Usrać se ba. Au! Šta ono bilo? Šta ono bilo? O dobro ovo. Šta je ono? Čekaj, zar nema ono MP ona?
Detecting a titanium mass somewhere in this area. Unable to confirm whether it originated on the Aurora.
Šta je ovo? Šta si ti? Vidi, pobiše. Aj umri. Šta se ono čulo? Jao, vidi ga, opet došao. Ona je umrla. Mrš! Ona ne. Aj, come in peace. Nemoj me napadat, jebać ti mamu. Vidi dole šta ima. Vidi PDA.
Integrating new PDA data.
Kuda mogu da uđem? Ne mogu da uđem, jebem ti mamu. Staklo ovdje. A ušao sam. Dobro. Šta je ono? A ne. A mrš.
Print acquired.
Radi, dobro je. I kafe mašina. Vidi. Maladi.
Integrating new P.
Please, stop fighting and listen. We're sick.
What?
How? You've been coughing, right? Feeling itchy? Blisters?
Yeah.
The biometrics would have warned us if we were sick.
It's something new. It's not in the database.
Come on, then. What's it gonna do? Turn us inside out? Dissolve us into jelly?
It's an alien bacteria. It's everywhere. Every organism on this planet. It's altering our genetic code.
How are the creatures surviving if they're infected?
I don't know yet.
Want me to cut some of them open for you? Find out what makes them tick?
No.
Just tell me what you need, son. Materials, equipment.
Just... Can I have some quiet? I need some time to think.
Ti šta sam ja bolestan ili šta jebo mater.
Acquired.
Sad ću da pogledam.
Integrating new PDA data.
Cyclops shield generator. Pegi, znaš kako to cool.
New blueprint acquired.
A ovo ovdje je najcool, znači sad mogu da pokažem neki par stvari što imam. Ajmo sad vam dole. Šta je ovo? Cuttlefish, još jedan. Mam dva. Mikroskop, sample analyzer. PDA, dobro.
Integrating new PDA data.
Transformiram je još tude. Čekaj se. Ne treba to.
Margaret, Beta has boarded the habitat.
What are you so happy about, Maida?
Say, kid, I brought you something.
Is that a Leviathan outside?
Towed it home on the back of the sub.
You killed that thing?
It's still breathing. I was about to finish the job, but I can stay and
30
chat if you'd
seconds.
like. No. Then make yourself useful and pass me that hardened blade.
Are you out of your mind? You brought that thing here? What if it's not as dead as it looks? What if others come?
You prefer it got curious and came of its own accord, or it got messed up and dragged here?
When we get off this planet, I am going to drag you through every court in the damn Federation.
Što se oni dvoje tako sađe jebojima?
I have had it with you, risking our lives.
Oh, stow it, Chief. The kid can't kill this disease without fish to study. I'm just bringing him home.
But tell her I'm right.
You're both wrong. Marguerite, I can't find out how they resist the bacteria if you slaughter them all.
It ain't always they oblige in coming in alive.
He means you're being reckless.
Father, the outcome's no better if we hole up in here and don't go outside. But we have to find a middle way.
There is no compromise. Not while she's on my sea base.
Your sea base?
I'm going outside.
Bard, Torgal has disembarked the habitat.
Bart, come in. It's dangerous. Damn it, boy. I know you can hear me.
Chief, get off the radio and put on your helmet.
What?
Brace!
Okay.
Came out of nowhere. An alien kraken, bigger than a cyclops. Tore a hole clear through the reinforced hull. I barely got my breather in time. I told her. I said others would come. The rupture threw me clear of the habitat, and the monster turned and bore down on me. And just as its tentacles came within reach, Maida appeared out of nowhere. She had a sea glide in one hand, a jagged piece of scrap metal in the other. She meant to butcher that beast or die trying. The last I saw her, she had the metal lodged in its neck as the monster did its best to shake her, contorting off into the darkness. I'm certain she got her wish, one way or another. Then I thought I saw a light deep below me. I hoped maybe Bart had swum clear. I followed it. Now I wonder whether I saw anything at all. My oxygen is low. The habitat is gone. I can't see the sky. Something surely has the scent of my blood.
Znači, ovi su izginuli, ja sam izgledao peti jedini ovdje.